Strong storms with damaging winds swept Louisville and southern Indiana from Sunday night into Monday morning, bringing gusts up to 80 miles per hour and leaving extensive damage across the region. One weather alert remained active. Temperatures hovered around 32 degrees Fahrenheit with a snow shower and about a 40% chance of precipitation. A photo slideshow shown damage in the WLKY viewing area, including reports from viewers in Louisville and southern Indiana. The update posted at 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on March 16, 2026, notes significant damage from the storm. The forecast calls for continued cold conditions, with hourly temperatures in the mid-30s and precipitation chances of up to 40% in the afternoon and evening, 4 p.m., 34 degrees, 5 p.m., 33 degrees, 6 p.m., 32 degrees, 7 p.m., 31 degrees, 8 p.m., 29 degrees.